Okay, let's talk about list methods in the built-in functions. We have certain methods. The total number of methods that we have in the list are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we do have some built-in functions as well. So we'll see what those are. So first method is append. So as a, appending is similar to what we have done with the files. So whenever you are using append method, any item or any item or any element that you are trying to add to your list will be appended towards the end of the existing list. And the syntax is your list name dot append with the item. And also, as these are methods, we will be using the dot method. So I think we have already discussed what the dot method is in the previous files, previous chapters. So you're just going to use the same dot method approach. So your list name dot method name, open close parenthesis, and whatever argument that you are trying to feed as an input for that particular method. Next method is index. It is used to determine where an item is located. So let's say you have a list of various product numbers. So from the previous example, product numbers. And if you are trying to locate where Q143 is, in that case, you can just use the index method to locate the position of that particular Q143. So here we have list.index. Q143 will be your syntax, and 2 will be your output, because Q143 was a position 3 and the index is 2. When you are working with index method, there is a possibility of getting the value error if this item is not in the list. So let's take the same example. So let's say if I want to find out the position number for B000, as B000 is not in this list, instead of getting a regular output, I'll be getting an exception that says value error, the item is not present in the list. Next, we have insert method. So you are inserting a particular element at a particular index. So that's the reason why you have index, comma, item. So you are going to, it is basically used to insert item at position index on your list. So if you want to add a new element in your list product numbers, like let's say now the product numbers has 4 elements, right, which has 3 indices maximum. So if I want to add a 5th element, then I can just do list.insert 4, comma, B000. Or if I just don't want to add the elements towards the end, but if I want to add the elements somewhere in between, then I can always do list.insert 2, comma, B000. So if this operation was successfully done on my product numbers list, I'll be looking at V475, F987, B000, Q143, R688. So I'm just inserting a new element in that particular position. And sort is used to sort the elements in an ascending order. And the syntax is your list name dot sort. And also when I'm working with the product numbers list, here it will be product nums dot insert, product nums dot append, product nums dot index. So whatever the variable that you are using, which is assigned to your list, will be used here. Next, we have remove item method. So it will remove the first occurrence of this particular element. So let's say I have my list with 99, 99, 99, 99, 99. That is 5 99s. And if I have list.remove 99, it will only remove the first occurrence of this element. It will not remove all the elements. It will just be 4 99s instead of 5 99s. And reverse is an operation that will just reverse the entire order of your elements of your list. So the syntax is list.reverse. So here is a brief description of all the methods that we have, and then now we are going on to the built-in functions. So we can use the del statement to remove an element from a specific index in a list. So we did look at remove method. So remove method will only remove the first occurrence. But what if you want to particularly delete an element at a certain location? Then in that case, you can use the delete statement. So del is the shorthand for delete. So let's say your list is, my list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print before deletion. Next, delete my list, that is del my list 2. So I am removing the index 2, or the element that is specified at index 2. After deletion, so before deletion it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after deletion, as I'm removing the index 2, that is 0, 1, 2, element 3, your output should be 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5. Next, we also have min and max functions. So these are the built-in functions that will return the lowest or the highest value of your sequence. So you have my list is 5, 4, 3, 2, 50, 30, 40. The lowest value is min of my list, which is 2. And the highest value is max of my list, which is 40 in this case, 50 in this case. Okay, so next topic will be copying and processing lists. That will be in the next video.